Hi everyone.
Hi.
Yeah, thank you so much. I welcome everyone in this meeting.
Yes.
You know this is the third meeting of the project which is called Bringing It Together under Goal Lead a Team.
Yeah.
I like the agenda of this meeting. We are going to see 3 points. The first point is how we come on the consensus. The second one is how to create a plan to implement our solutions.
Yes.
The last point is how to create that a criteria for evaluating the solution to success. As you know, this is the last meeting. Before we did different meetings, where on the first project, just we define like the problems with drip and dry company. The second meeting is where that we proposed and we brainstorm different solutions that
Yes.
can help drip and dry to solve their problems. For this last meeting is where we are going to end our project with best solution that we can suggest to drip and dry to implement after in order to solve their problems.
Yes.
Uh, the first of all, we are going to recall some of the problems which drip and dry was facing. Let me welcome Emile to tell us like the problem you think that drip and dry was facing.
Yeah, thank you very much, Michelle, for this meeting. It was really pleasure to meet you guys and working together because I really know that the solutions to the problems of drip and dry that we brainstormed in last meeting was really placed, was really impressed and really helpful for the company. And I remember that Drip and Dry was facing a problem of not having enough seats for the numbers of patrons as well as the customers, and where the people or the customers who came with the cars lose where they can park or the space to park their cars. The solution that we brainstormed on that problem, we say that maybe drip and dry can expand their breeding. You can see if they expand their breeding, people will have the enough space to sit, and also those people with the cars will have the space to park their cars as well. I think that is the first problem that drip and dry was facing.
Yeah, thank you, Emile. You thought that the first solution and the problem that Drip and Dry company has. Let us welcome this Shimo to tell us what you think about the like other problem and the solution you provide to the Drip and Dry.
Yeah, thank you so much, Michelle. So also, I remember that also drip and dry was facing an issue where drip and dry was not able to maximize its revenue as it's so often.
Yeah.
And for this problem, so we propose that drip and dry should hire a team of analysts who can control all its financial activities and also build customers relation. We have seen that this can help drip and dry also to know how to control all its incoming revenue, how to control the revenue so that it can be used well so to maximize the total revenues as planned.
Yes.
Yeah, thank you so much, Augustine. I think also the other problem that Drip and Dry facing, some what I think is there was the customer who often neglect to come up to pick those laundry on the timely manner because
Yes.
they are spend their time without just come to pick their finished the laundry. This was a big problem that the workers of Drip and Dry was facing. The solution we suggest on this problem, I suggest the solution of how Drip and Dry can set strict norms and rules to follow by the customer in order just to solve that problem. Moving forward, we are going to the first point, which is on our agenda today, which is how to come on a consensus with our solution. You know that when we were working on this project, we sit down as a whole team or group, and everyone in a team was proposed one solution. This was the first point that we did when we were just come on our consensus. The second point, let us welcome Augustine to tell us the second point, which was followed the first one.
Yeah, thank you so Michel. So in order to come up to a consensus, so to a best solutions, I think we sat as our team. So we analyzed all the proposed solutions, and we tried to look on a potential solution that can help Drip and Dry to handle all its problems. Yeah, thank you.
Yes, thank you so much, Augustine. Told us that you have sit together and you analyze and we choose the best solution that can help Drip and Dry to solve their problems. Let us welcome Emet to tell us the next point, which we use while coming on our consensus to our solution.
Thank you, Michelle. Really, it was very important to sit as a group. As Jishima said, we first sit together as a group and brainstormed, and also discussed together to really know what can be the best solutions. As you said, we first sit together, and the second we brainstorm different solutions to the Drip and Dry's problem that they were facing. And also finally we come up with a best solution that Drip and Dry can use to solve its problem. And I think that is how our group come to consensus on the best solution that Drip and Dry can use to solve its problem. And I think it was really important if the group collaborate together and sit together. We did this strategy to come up with the best solution. If we fail to do that, I think we can't get the best solution as well. But if we were able to sit together and to give the alternative solutions, and after we analyze the feasibility or how the solution will contribute to the Drip and Dry's problem in order to be solved. I think that was a final point about how our group come to consensus.
Yeah, I have an addition. Everyone proposed his or her solution to the problem.
Yes.
But I think to come up to a consensus, everyone was flexible to look only with the feasibility of each solution, so that we can provide a better solution to the Drip and Dry problem. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. It was the way we come on consensus as a team.
Yes.
Moving forward, you are going to the next point, which is the second. Is the way we create a plan to implement our solutions. For me, I think when we were working on this project, we suggest Drip and Dry to hire a team to control, and that team will ensure that all norms are being followed. On this point is the where we suggest the team hired should just focus on the customer and workers and how they follow each rules and norms. because we know that when they follow effectively those rules and norms, I know the company will be productive in all ways. Let us welcome Bishimo Augustine to talk us another point
Yeah.
which we have used while implementing our solutions.
Thank you again, Michelle. So, in order that Drip and Dry should implement the solution, so we have suggested that Drip and Dry first will create those rules and norms.
Yeah.
We'll sit and plan those rules and norms. After those norms should be hanged in the wall of all rooms at Drip and Dry company,
Yes.
so that every customers and workers will be able to read those rules and norms and know how to follow those rules. Yeah, thank you so much.
Thank you. Bishimo, you say you provide us good ideas. Whether you say you say that Drip and Dry should hang on the all those norms, which will help the customer and others to read. Let us welcome Emme to tell us to next point which we have put in our plan in order to implement our solution.
So thank you very much, Michelle and Bishimo, for your best point about the how Drip and Dry can implement their solution. And also, I'm suggesting Drip and Dry we organize a workshop with its potential customers. By this point, I think before implementing implementing or before punishing or setting the norms to its potential customers, after restricting or after making those solutions, they have to make sure that they communicate to its potential customers. For instance, if I am a customer from Drip and Dry and I don't know the strategy of if I will be pick up my laundry in 10 minutes. If I didn't do that, I'll be charging some amount of money. It's really important for Drip and Dry to first do the workshop and communicate for the potential customers what were the new norms for the company, and also they will know what's going on in the company. If they know there is a new rules, they will make sure that they also follow the rules in order to not be charged some amount of money, and also they will know how they are going to expand their building. And also those customers will be well understand what's really going on in the company, and also they will also they will also have the information about those norms and how they will be charged if they didn't respect the norms. Thank you very much.
Yeah, thank you so much, Emme. Moving forward, we are going on the last point, which is the criteria we have followed while evaluating our solutions. Let us welcome Emme, Augustine, to tell us the criteria we have followed while evaluating our solution.
So for sure we have said that in order to evaluate our solution, Drip and Dry will compare the revenue earned before and after the implementation of this
Yes.
solution.
That's-
This means they will compare them to see if the solution was successful or has failed, and they look on how to again to know the solution so that it can help the company to solve the problem that Drip and Dry was facing. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you so much. Let us welcome Emme to tell us the point which is the other criteria we have followed in order to evaluate our solution.
Thank you very much. I think in order to evaluate those solutions, also they can see the customers who respect the pickup time.
Yes.
And compared, if they implement the solution in this month, and in next month they will see how many customers now are respecting the pickup time, and how the customers are now having the enough space to park their cars and enough seats for the customers. I think after evaluating those customers, they will really know if those implementation is being successful or not successful, and know what's next after being maybe successful or not successful. If the customers are now respecting the time of pickup their laundries, it's we ensure the drip.
Yeah, thank you so much. On my side, Drip and Dry will measure the number of food and beverage consumed by customer before and after implementing the solutions. This will measure these criteria when we see the number of beverage consumed and food took, and then we compare with the previous number which they were using. As a recommendation in our team, we recommend Drip and Dry to implement our suggested solutions in order just to handle their problems. Some of the solution we command Drip is to expand their spacing of working,
Yes.
and set rules and norms which can help them to be productive and to earn more interest and benefit in their company. Thank you so
in
much.
addition, Michelle, I can say that I want to thank everyone, because we have been in this project since we start, and it was really great pleasure to meet you guys and to work with you, and I can say that I will miss your contribution for sure, and I can wish you success in the next project that you are going to work on. Thank you very much on your contribution.
Thank you, Marisa, for your time, and also I thank everyone for your suggested solutions. I saw again you tried to do your best respecting the meeting when we plan the meeting, so you respect them. So I really appreciate your hard working and your professionalism in your contribution you made as a team. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you. Even me, I thank everyone in his contribution for his idea from the starting up to now, because I didn't forget what you have contributed, because I learned many things from you, like your ideas, your engagement in working in the group, and so on. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.